Chapter 3: Food, Health and Diseases. Many of you may have heard your parents or grandparents saying a quote, "You are what you eat." Do you know what it means? It means that whatever you eat is reflected in your health. If you eat nutritious food, you will be healthy. If you eat junk food too often, then you will have various digestive issues. Let's discuss about our health and food in this chapter. Health. The state of complete physical and mental well-being is called health. A person is considered to be healthy if he is physically fit and mentally sound. To become healthy, we should eat a balanced diet. We should exercise regularly and take proper rest. We must keep ourselves and our surroundings clean. We should protect ourselves from diseases. Balanced diet. The food we eat forms our diet. A diet which contains all the nutrients in the right amount is called a balanced diet. The nutrients are the building blocks of our body. They provide us energy for growth and other activities. There are 5 nutrients: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Carbohydrates. They give energy to the body. Potato, rice, sugar, bread, cereals and banana are rich in carbohydrates. Fats. They also give us energy, but more than the carbohydrates. They keep us warm. Ghee, oil, cheese, butter and nuts are sources of fats. Proteins. They help in the growth of our body and repair of the body tissues. Sources of proteins include eggs, fish, milk, cheese, meat, pulses, and soya bean. Vitamins. They help us to keep fit by fighting diseases. There are different vitamins like vitamin A, B, C, D, E, and K, and each has a different function. Fresh fruits and vegetables, sunlight, and fish are rich in vitamins. Minerals. They help our body to grow and develop properly. Iron, iodine, sodium, potassium, and calcium are some essential minerals needed for proper growth of our body. Green leafy vegetables, fresh fruits, and milk are sources of minerals. Fact 5. Calcium is a mineral which is used for building bones and teeth. It is present in milk. Another mineral, iron, helps our blood to carry oxygen. Spinach and apples contain iron. Besides nutrients, our body also needs water and roughage. Water helps in transportation of substances to various parts of our body. It removes waste from our body. It helps in absorption of nutrients. Roughage. Roughage is the dietary fiber that we need so that our body can get rid of undigested food. We can get it from green leafy vegetables, carrot, cucumber, fruits, etc. Fact 5. Water protects the delicate organs of our body like eyes, brain and spinal cord. It keeps our eyes bright and the skin soft. Exercise. Regular exercise is essential for us as it keeps our body fit and active. our muscles and bones become stronger. It also helps to improve the blood circulation of our body. So, we must exercise regularly. Doing yoga, playing outdoor games, cycling, and swimming are other ways of keeping the body healthy. Rest. Our body needs rest after hard work. We can relax ourselves by simply lying down, listening to some music, or reading a book, etc. Our body gets time to repair the wear and tear when we sleep. A good 8-hour sleep helps our body to refresh itself. Diseases. Sometimes we do not feel hale and hearty. We feel weak and get tired quickly. It shows that we are not keeping fit. Some parts of our body are not functioning properly and we are suffering from some disease. A disease is a condition in which our body does not function properly and we do not feel good. Diseases can occur due to different reasons. We can classify diseases into two categories: non-communicable diseases and communicable diseases. Non-communicable diseases. Some diseases do not spread from one person to another, so they are called non-communicable diseases. There are some diseases which are caused due to deficiency of some nutrients in our diet. These are called deficiency diseases. Let us know about some deficiency diseases. Night blindness. Deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. People suffering from this disease are unable to see in dim light. Their eyes become dull and lackluster. The skin becomes dry and patchy. Such people must take green leafy vegetables, carrot, papaya, milk, curd, butter, fish, etc. to prevent this disease. Beriberi. Deficiency of vitamin B causes beriberi. People suffering from beriberi lose weight and appetite. Their growth gets retarded. Beriberi can be prevented by taking unpolished rice, milk, fish, green leafy vegetables, and cereals. Scurvy. Deficiency of vitamin C causes scurvy. People suffering from scurvy have swollen and bleeding gums and decaying teeth. They also have reduced appetite and weak joints. To prevent scurvy, people should take a diet which is rich in vitamin C, like lemon, orange, amla, tomato, grapes, guava, green leafy vegetables, sprouted grains, etc. Fact 5. Amla, gooseberry, is the only fruit which retains its vitamin C even if we boil it for a long time. Rickets. Deficiency of vitamin D causes rickets in children. Children suffering from rickets have weak bones that break or bend easily. Sometimes they have bow-shaped legs. The diet of such children must include ghee, butter, vegetable oils, cod liver oil, milk, cheese, eggs, fish, etc. to prevent this disease. Sunlight is a good source of vitamin D. Anemia. Deficiency of iron in the diet causes anemia, which means that the hemoglobin found in the blood is not sufficient. Spinach, cabbage, brinjal, apple, guava, banana, pulses, meat, etc. should be included in the diet to prevent this disease. Goiter. Deficiency of iodine causes goiter. People suffering from goiter have swelling in the throat gland. People suffering from this disease must use sea salt or iodized salt and seafood like prawns, crabs, fish, etc. in their diet.